Hello folks, Waz here from B&B, and today we have another T5 VW. Original radio had failed, so customer just wanted something good but wireless, so we've gone for a KENWOOD 7722, which is a very good selling head unit. This unit gives you Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, DAB, and the option for reverse cam, Bluetooth, etc. In this case here, we can just go straight here, Apple CarPlay, usual touchscreen. There's no point doing a video on this because everyone's seen all this working. When I put it into reverse, and there's our rear camera that we've added. So if something like this interests you, give us a ring. We're part of the KENWOOD Pro scheme, and this will now give you a 3-year warranty, providing it's professionally fitted by someone like us or our colleagues. Okay. Company is B&B Audio Concepts. My name is Waz and we're based in Cardiff. Speak to you all soon.